Hi. After watching this video, you will be able to create a gardening AI assistant which you are seeing on the screen now. Let's build the assistant now. Add the routing node and set up the intents. Add the text node and write a goodbye message to send when our customer says bye or goodbye to the assistant. Add the read node and select the chat history variable. Add the LLM node and set up the models and prompts. I will give a prompt as you are a gardening assistant. I'll provide details about my gardening goals, challenges, preferred gardening style, or specific plants I want to cultivate. You'll offer guidance, resources, tips, and strategies to improve my gardening experience. Additionally, if I inquire about plant care, garden design, pest control, or any other gardening-related difficulties, provide tailored advice or insights. If asked about unrelated topics, respond with "Sorry, I can't help you with that. My expertise is focused on gardening." I have given this prompt on this video description. Our gardening AI assistant is ready. Let's check it on Sandbox. If you are interested in creating a customer support AI assistant, then watch the video shown on the screen now.